All right, everybody. Hope you're ready for another deep dive because today we're taking a look at something called Ardor.
And honestly, when I first saw this white paper from whitepaper.io, by the way, which, side note, seems like the place to find these things,
Right.
I thought, okay, another crypto thing, got it.
hmm
But the more I dug in, the more I realized this isn't just about buying low, selling high. It's actually trying to solve a problem we see in a lot of tech these days.
Absolutely.
So think of it like this. Ever used one of those website builder tools? Where you don't have to code everything from scratch?
Yeah. Drag and drop.
Exactly. It gives you the foundation, the security, all that, so you can focus on making something cool, not reinventing the wheel.
hmm
Ardor is kind of like that, but for, like, applications, not just websites.
Exactly. And that's a great analogy because it highlights that need for a solid foundation.
Okay, so walk me through this, because the white paper calls it parent-child chain architecture,
hmm
and honestly, at first I thought I was back in family therapy or something.
Well, it sounds a lot more complex than it really is. Think of it like a large company with a bunch of smaller divisions,
Right.
right? You've got the main company, the parent providing structure, making sure things run smoothly. That's your parent chain. It's all about security, efficiency, all those behind the scenes things that make everything work.
Okay.
And then you've got these divisions, each focused on their own thing, their own products or services, whatever. Those are your child chains. They get the benefits of that strong parent, but have the freedom to specialize.
So instead of every single app out there kind of fending for itself in the Wild West of, well, the internet, Ardor is trying to wrangle it all in, provide some order. Yeah.
Exactly. And that's a big deal for developers, especially new ones. Instead of starting from scratch, they can build on that solid foundation that the Ardor parent chain provides.
So less will my app get hacked tomorrow
Mm.
and more time for how do I make this thing even better?
Exactly.
Okay, so you keep saying applications, but give me some real world examples. If these child chains are like specialized apps, what could they actually do?
Well, imagine a child chain for something like supply chain management. Like you buy something online and you can track its journey from the factory all the way to your doorstep securely and transparently.
Oh, that's cool.
Right. Or think about secure voting systems, making elections much harder to tamper with. Or even a decentralized social media platform where users have more control over their data.
Okay, so we're talking like potentially big changes here. And if this parent chain is supposed to be super secure, that kind of does make it tempting to jump on board. But see, this is why I need to do these deep dives before I even think about investing in anything, right?
Absolutely. Understanding the technology is crucial.
Right. So if Ardor really IS this platform, this foundation for all kinds of apps, what's the potential impact here? I mean, could this actually change how we use technology on a daily basis?
It's definitely possible. I mean, think about how the internet itself changed everything, right? Commerce, communication, everything. Ardor could do the same thing for decentralized applications, make them more accessible, more secure, more efficient. It's an exciting time to be paying attention to this space.
Okay, so to wrap things up, if Ardor really IS this platform, this foundation, what truly amazing projects could be built on it? Things we haven't even thought of yet.
It's hard to say, right? Like it's like trying to predict what groundbreaking inventions will come from the internet back when it was brand new. The potential is massive.
I like it. Little food for thought for you.
Yeah.
And that, my friends, is your deep dive on Ardor.